Uh, a photo has been circulating around all the WhatsApp platforms of Uganda and other social media platforms, saying that this man you're looking at, the driver of Link Media, who was feeling sick, had passed away. Now, one of the staff of the Link Media has come out to clarify on this matter, which is taking social media of Uganda by storm. He said the driver was not feeling well. That's why he parked by the roadside for safety and in accordance with the professional standard of the Link Bus Company. This staff also advised the public to not be shaken or rush into conclusion without finding official communications. He also went ahead to say the people who were in the bus were briefed about the actions before it happened. Let's see that message from him.
My name is Tom Bestalinde. I'm the Public Relations Manager for Link Bus Services, and I am here to address you, all our customers, and all stakeholders across the world about a photo, an image of one driver who is allegedly said to have died on the steering, and that driver belongs to Link Buses. So I'm here to clarify to you that yesterday driver Nelson managed to very safely park by the roadside at a place called Luera, which is a few kilometers, maybe around 5, to Chegegwa town. Now Nelson started his duties, like his normal duties of definitely driving from Kampala, and he was well, but along the way he started feeling unwell, I think past Mubende. So he informed his colleagues, the bus crew, that he was feeling unwell. So a communication was made to the next terminal, which was Fort Portal, to ensure that a driver is sent to relieve Nelson. A driver was sent, one by the name Mr. Kyaligonza Samuel. But before definitely he reached, or rather before he reached the bus, Nelson continued feeling unwell. So he made a decision to park by the roadside, and that is professional logic, because if you're not feeling well, you definitely have to park for safety reasons. So Nelson parked, and Samuel Kyalgonza definitely got there and was able to relieve him of the responsibility of taking passengers up to Kasese. I must also mention that on stopping, our bus crew, specifically the conductor, came and addressed the passengers, informed them of what was happening, and definitely everyone was calm, because he requested them to be calm and told them of the plan B, something that was happening. And what was happening was that the driver was almost getting to them in order for him, now talking about one Kyalgonza, to take them to their intended destinations. Now, the images going across the social media indicate that Mr. Olung Nelson died on the steering. That is not true. We actually do not understand the reasons, the intentions of such kind of communication to the public. I think those are ill intentions that we may not understand as Link buses. But what we can tell you is that our driver felt unwell and professionally parked by the roadside. and this was managed because every customer was able to reach the destination, which was definitely Kasese as being the last. So we would like to call for calm in the public. Please be calm. There's nothing that should cause alarm. Any one of us can fall sick, and you never know what time you'll fall sick. Actually, Nelson remained behind, remained at Chegegwa, and was diagnosed with malaria, which was, I think, in the medical classification, in the plus plus. I think that's a level of some excessive sort of malaria. And definitely Nelson could not continue with the journey. We really think this was the best thing for him to do at a time when he was feeling unwell. So we would like to thank you, the general public. Specifically here, I want to first thank the passengers that were on the bus where, that Nelson was driving, for the calmness, and then also to the general public, for those especially who are really sending us messages in solidarity, where some people are seemingly showing that this was out of hand. We want to thank whoever is positive about this, and we can only promise you even better services because we are committed to giving you the best. Once again, this is Link Bus Services.
Thank you very much. This and more are still to come on Acholi Pro Evo TV channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment so that I get to know your feedback. Nice time.